Preview.
Sawadee Kap! Good morning everyone! This is again Teacher JP and welcome back to our Mathematics 3 class. Today's class is we are about to start our Unit 2. Are you excited now? Okay, let's start! Now, we are about to start our Chapter 2 or Unit 2 of our workbook. Our Unit 2 is about the addition and subtraction within 100,000. Are you ready? Alright, before we proceed to our main topic, let us first read our target goal for today. Today, we only have one, and that is, I can add two numbers without regrouping. I can add two numbers without regrouping. Are you ready? Before that, let us first do a quick review. Yesterday, we did the sequence. So let us try to determine the next number in each number sequence. Ready? Alright, let's try letter A. Let us try letter A. We have the numbers 10,250, 11,250, 12,250, 13,250. So what will be the next? Let us first minus the first two numbers. Right? We will find first the pattern. Am I correct? So what will be the pattern? So as you can see here, our numbers are increasing. They're going up. So therefore, that is plus. The pattern is plus. Am I right? Okay, so what will be the pattern? The pattern is we will minus 11,250, okay, by 10,250. Okay, so how to minus? If they're the same, we will just make them 0. Am I right? So 0, 0, 0. Now here, what is 11 minus 10? 11 minus 10, we have 1. So our pattern here is plus 1,000. Okay, so if the pattern is plus 1,000, what will be the next number here? So we have 13,250 plus 1,000. And that will be very good. We have 14,250. Okay, how about here? Letter B is also increasing. Correct? Letter B is also increasing. So therefore, our pattern is also plus. Okay, so we have 38,000, 40,000, 42,000, 44,000. So what will be our next number? Our first step is to minus this number by this number. Correct? So what is 40,000 minus 38,000? What is the answer? I'll give you a clue. I will erase first the 3 zeros. So I will just put it here, the 3 zeros. So it's easy now. What is 40 minus 38? What is 40 minus 38? Yes, it's 2. So we need to plus 2,000. Correct? Yes, okay. So, what is 44,000 plus 2,000? What is 44,000 plus 2,000? Yes, good job. It is 46,000. Alright, letter C. Our letter C is decreasing. Decreasing means they're going down. Decreasing. Okay? So from 71,500, it will become 71,000. So since decreasing, we will use minus. So the pattern is minus. So how can we do that? If we will do minus, we will start with this. Am I right? So we have 71,500 minus 71,000. Yes, good job. That is 500. So we have minus 500. Okay? So what is 69,500 minus 500? What is 69,500 minus 500? Very good. The answer is 69,000. Good job. Letter D. This one is also decreasing. Alright? So our pattern is plus or minus? Plus or minus? Minus. Good job. Now, we will minus these two. 95,000 minus 90,000. 95,000 minus 90,000. So what will be the difference? Difference between those two numbers is very good. 5,000. Okay? So 75,000 minus 5,000. 75,000 minus 5,000? Yes, good job. It's 70,000. That is only a quick review of our lesson last time, which is the sequence or number sequences. Okay. So we're about to start our day 7. Addition within 100,000. So, we have here some vocabularies first. We have here the word addition. What is addition? Addition is the process of calculating the total of two or more numbers. Okay? If you will do addition, that means the total of two or more numbers. What are the other words for addition? Or clues if we have to solve some problems? Add, plus, added to, more. Okay? So these are some of the words that are related to addition. So if someone asked you or someone told you about add, plus, added to, or more, that means you will use addition. Alright? Okay. So what is the symbol for addition? Symbol for addition? Yes, this just like this. Symbol for addition. Okay. Other vocabularies, we also have increased by. That's also part. Sum. Sum. Sum is the result or the answer in an addition process. So if we are about to find the answer itself is what we call sum. Let's see it here. These are the parts of an addition equation. The two numbers are what we call addends. The two numbers are what we call addends. Alright? This is the symbol. Okay? This I call it plus. And then the equal sign also. And then the answer here is what we call the sum. Alright? So these are our vocabularies for today. And we will use those terms in the discussion. So you need to remember the meaning of those. Alright? So we have the addition, sum, add plus, added to, more, increased by, addend, plus, equals, and then sum again. Alright? Ready? Okay, let's start. This is the addition without regrouping. How to add without regrouping? First, place the addends one on top of the other so that the place values fall in the same columns. Next, add each column together separately, starting with the ones place. And then the sums go below each column underneath the line. Okay? So to understand more about the steps that I have read here, we have 3. Teacher JP number 2 will show you here in the video on how to do addition without regrouping. Alright? So listen well. So this is the process on how to add without regrouping. If, for example, we have here 2 numbers. We have here 2,782 plus 3,115. So we need to find the sum of these 2 addends. Okay, so our first step is we need to place the addends one on top of the other so that the place values fall in the same columns. So how to find those? Okay, so we need to just write or line up the numbers. I will start with this. Okay, so we have here 2,782. It says here we need to also follow the place values of each number so that the number on the top and then the bottom will be the same place value. Alright, so we have here, this is our ones place and ones place. So they must be on the same place value. Alright, so I will put here 5. Next would be 1, and then the 3. Okay, and don't forget the add symbol on this side, and of course the equal symbol here. Okay, so after that first step, the second step is add each column together separately, starting with the ones place. So we will start here. Okay, every time we do addition, we need to start on the right side. Okay, remember the ones place. So we will start here in the ones place. So what will be 2 plus 5? 2 plus 5 is? 2 plus 5 is? Yes, it's 7. So just put here 7 below them. Alright? And then, of course, after the ones place, we will now move on to the tens place. Alright? So our tens place is 8 plus 1. So 8 plus 1 is 9. Good job. So we have here 9. Of course, after the tens place, we will now move on to the hundreds place. So in hundreds place, we have 7 and 1. So what will be their sum? 7 plus 1 is 8. Very good. So then we'll just put here 8. And then for the last 2 numbers, we have 2 plus 3. plus 3 is? Very good, it is 5. So therefore, don't forget, if we have a thousands place, don't forget a comma here. It will separate the hundreds place and the thousands place. Alright, so we have here the answer, 5,897. 5,897. Alright, so we already discussed the vocabularies, right? So if we will identify those vocabularies, these two numbers are what we call, how do you call them? The addends. Say addends or addends. Addends. Yes, good job. So we have the addends and the answer, excuse me, and the answer of our addition, sorry, of our addition here is what we call, what do you call this? We call it, the answer is what we call the sum. Alright, so for example, if someone asks you, for example, what is the sum of 2 and 3? So if someone asks you about sum, that means you need to plus. Alright, remember the vocabulary that we have learned. Okay? So if we will say sum, that is about plus. Alright? As easy as that, right? Another one. So I will put here another set of numbers. 18,092 plus, I will just put 1,806 equals blank. Alright, so remember the first step? Our first step is to line up the two addends, right? So I will put here, first is the 18,092, okay? And then, the second one, we will start with the ones place. Yes, what is our ones place here in the second one? We have 6, so I'll put 6 here, and then 0, and then 8, and then 1. Okay? And then don't forget the plus symbol and the equal symbol. That is our first step. What will be our second step? We need to add each column. We will start with the ones place. So what will be 2 plus 6? 2 plus 6, that will be 8. Good job. Next one, after ones we have tens place. So 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0, 9. Very good. And then 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. Good. And then 8 plus 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. How about here? We don't have any number here. How can we add 1 and there's no number? No number means it's 0. Alright? So we will just do 1 plus 0. 1 plus 0 is automatically 1. Alright? And again, do not forget the comma. It will separate the hundreds and the thousands. Alright, so after the three numbers, 1, 2, 3, we have a comma here. Wait, it's not clear, so I will erase it. Okay. I will put a comma here. Okay, so we have the final answer, or the sum, which is 19,898. 19,898. That is how to use the steps here on my left side. Alright? Okay, good job. Okay, so we have here other more examples. So please do listen and watch the video. Okay, so these are the other examples that we will practice before you do your activity. Alright, so I have here 4 items. We have number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, all of these is we will use our knowledge about adding without regrouping. Alright? So, I will discuss you first why this one is called without regrouping. Okay? It's because at some parts of our addition, you will see something like this. Okay, so I will write something here. For example, in without regrouping, all our numbers, if we will add the 2 digits, the answer is less than 10. Less than 10. What are the numbers? Less than 10 or less than 10? You can say 0 to 9, correct? But if we will do addition with regrouping, our answers is not just or are not just 0 to 9, but also 0 to 19. 0 to 19. Or 0 to 18, something like that. That is greater than 10. So, that is with regrouping. But here, we will just do without regrouping. So, our answers in each digit is only from 0 to 9. Alright? Now, let us try to answer each number here. We will start with number 1, of course. So we have, can you read first the numbers? This is, what number is this? Yes, it's 3,547. The symbol is plus. Good job. Plus 300 and okay, 50. Good job. And then we will just do or follow the steps we did in our first video. Alright? So we will line up first. We will line up the numbers. Put it in blue, okay? I will always, alright, always we will start here on the first number. Okay? So we have here 3,547. How about here in 350? We will start with the ones place. Alright, so I will copy first 0 and then 5 and then 3 to make it parallel to the first number. Again, remember, you need to follow the place values, alright? Ones must be placed on ones place. Okay? That is our main rule. Okay, don't forget the symbol for plus or add, and then the equal sign. second step is we will now plus each column. We will add each column. We will start with the ones place. Ones place, we have 7 and 0. So 7 plus 0, that is 7 plus 0, yes, it's 7. 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, 4 plus 5, come on, show me your fingers. 4 plus 5 is 9, very good. 5 plus 3, 5 plus 3, the answer is 8, good job. And then, if we don't have a number here, what will we do? That is automatically 0, correct? So we have 3 plus 0 is only 3. Is there a missing one here? Yes, do not forget the comma. It separates the thousands place and the hundreds place. So I will put the comma here between 3 and 8. And this will be our answer. Okay? As simple as that. It's super easy, right? This is only addition without regrouping, so it's super easy. Easy. Yes. Okay, number 2. What will be the first number that we need to write here? Good job. It is the 4,985. So I will put it here down. 4,985. What's next? How can we write 5,013 on the lower part? We will start with the ones place. Very good. So I will copy first the 3. Okay? So 3 will be placed here since 5 is also the ones place. And then 1. And then 0. And then 5. Alright. Don't forget the symbols. So after arranging the addends together with the symbols, we will now do the second step, which is we need to add each column. We will start on the ones place. Okay, so we have 5 plus 3. Show your fingers. 5 plus 3. Count it. 8. Correct. How about 8 plus 1? How about 8 plus 1? How about 8 plus 1? 9. Good job. Next, 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0. 9 plus 0 is 9. Yes. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 is also 9. And don't forget our comma. Very good. The comma here, it will separate the thousands place and the hundreds place. So therefore, this is now our answer. Easy. So, number 1 is checked. Number 2 is checked. Number 3. Let's do number 3. Now let us read first the numbers. Numbers we have 11,185. Okay, plus 8,502. Okay, so we will put here, we will line up those numbers. I will start with the 11,185. Okay, and then we will start here, right, on the ones place. So we have 2, 0, 5, and then 8, and then place. Alright, so 5 plus 2. Show me your fingers. What is 5 plus 2? 7. Correct. So we have 7. 8 plus 0. 8 plus 0. 8. Good job. 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5. What is 1 plus 5? 6. 1 plus 8. 1 plus 8. 9. Very good. And then, we don't have any number here, so therefore we will just put 0. And then 1 plus 0 is 1. Now, where do I put my comma here? Remember, thousands and hundreds place, alright? So we have here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Therefore, I will put my comma here between 9 and 6. And this will be, what do you call the answer in an addition? The answer in an addition is sum. Very good. Spell sum. S-U-M. Okay, number 4. Number 4. Let us first read the numbers. The first number is 35,623 plus 44,352. Alright, very good. Now let us write those. Start with 35,623. And then we will start here in the ones place. So we'll put 2, 5, 3, 4, 4. Do not forget the symbols. Okay. Let's start. 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2. 5. 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5. 7. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3. 9. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. That is 9. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4. That is 7. Now, where do you put my comma here? Between 9 and 9. Yes, very good. So I will put here the comma. So, can you read our answer? Our answer is? Good job. 79,975. Very good.
Okay, now it's your time. Try to do the following. In 30 seconds, you must finish answering these 3. And then after 30 seconds, we will answer the questions. I will answer the questions. Alright, so you can check your own answers. So your time starts now. Alright, time's up. Now, let us answer the following. Let's do first this one. What is our first step? We need to line up the 2 numbers. Am I right? Okay, so we have 2,564. And then, for 235, we must follow their place value. So we need to line, their place values to their specific places. Okay? Alright, and then don't forget the symbols, plus and the equal sign. Now, let's start to add the numbers. We will follow each column starting with the ones place. Am I right? Yes. Okay, what is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 is 9. 6 plus 3, 9. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus nothing, 2. So therefore, this will be our sum. Easy. How the next one? We have 12,432 plus 7,135 equals, what is your answer here? Okay, very good. So our answer here is 19,567. Did you get it? Very good. Next, 23,708 plus 65,081 equals, your answer is, what is the answer? Okay, let's see if you're correct. 88,789. Did you get it correctly? Very good. Another set and another 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Ten seconds. Time's up. Alright. Now let us answer. 15,036 plus 14,923 equals. What is your answer? Your answer is? Very good. We have 29,959. Did you get it correctly? Yes, good job. Next one. 82,982 plus 13,007. The answer is? What is the answer? Very good. 95,989. Okay, next. 74,009 plus 22,870. Okay, what is your answer? Let's see if we are the same. 96,879. Correct? Very good. Now, for 20 seconds, you need to answer the following from number 1 to number 6. Your time starts now. Okay, your time is up. Now let us answer. Number 1, 721 plus 322. What will be the answer? What is the answer? Is it hard? No, correct. This one is 1,043. Okay? It's because 7 plus 3 is 10. So since there's no other numbers on its left side, so we can just write 10. Okay, number 2. 462 plus 513. The answer is, good job, 975. Next, number 3. 523 plus 122. The answer is, yes, it's 645. Number 4. 526 plus 312. Our answer is 838. Wow, very good. Number 5. 821 plus 124. Our answer is, very good, 945. Number 6. 352 plus 215. Great job. We have the answer, 567. Clap, clap, guys. Very good. Very good, everyone. Let us summarize our learnings for today. Today, we learned how to add without regrouping. What are the steps? First is we need to line up the numbers and make sure their place values are also in line to other numbers. Second is we need to find the sum of numbers in each column. And then the third step is we are now about to find the sum. I hope you learned something today, and then I hope you are still okay, you are still healthy, and stay safe. Bye! Khop khun khap.